Tiaba be year no se kuma sama one more can say Bank of Ghana ena ene wo hye eye gold board chi emo wonsika edit to gold no eya de se enseme gu nkrata so akasama fo wo ema mampani ye ura Felix Kwakye Ofosu ede aba betu dwase no kura bi anim o sansem na ekokuma wo ma so be de film kano
Rashebedwani ya wujina mu ema wona ewo asebu kwaman kese ya wonu kru ya Minister of State in charge of government communications Felix Kwakye Ofosu ensema wode ya tujwa NSA said the MPP amanyoko no Rashebedwafo bi chire mu wese Bank of Ghana and the sika aso gold board no wasene no enya de anokuru bia ewo mu na be ye mreka krani donkuma wo Rashebedwafie wo no mo bisabisa nsem dodo na e de fa kwan ya gold board wo mo esifa enyo mo sika e de du wonwuma ahodo Wachire mwese Bank of Ghana de wonyumede ba ko ne se commercial banks are wode forex ye adwuma no woje sika de fi wo mo nchen na wode ama gold board for se de be ya wonyumede obetumi ye de adi na se bana se wo mu gold a wo ton wo ton wi a no sa de ho ska no akoma Bank of Ghana.
Mr. Speaker, for the avoidance of doubt, the Bank of Ghana has not printed a dime to give to gold board. What the Bank of Ghana has been, and indeed, Mr. Speaker, our friends on the other side must make up their minds on exactly what they think this government has done or not done. In one breath, they claim that the city is stable or the city has appreciated because of some gold accumulation policy that they implemented. Mr. Speaker, they forget that by the time they left office, they had accumulated close to 30 tons of gold, and yet our currency suffered its most catastrophic depreciation in recent memory. What the Bank of Ghana has done is that they take money from commercial banks who are interested in forex, give it to gold board to purchase gold, export it, and remit the funds thereof in hard currency, which the Bank of Ghana gives back to the very people they took money from. That is what my colleague, the Honorable Adongo, referred to as intermediation. That is what has happened.